thì cái chương tip nào ta kỳ có bảo lạch cắm thì cái này có về advertisement bapalaj ka district school education office trong Nongpo River district thì cái này ka advertisement ka court interview nam ta ki post assistant teacher in arts, assistant lecturer in the subjects and labs assistant in physics on contractual basis. And is scheduled to be held on the date of Lipoteric staff adjustment of the office of the chamber of the district school education office Nongpo River district. Thì ki post ki don santali thì ka post quan kong ka de assistant lecturer history nota assistant lecturer in Khasi, assistant lecturer in chemistry, assistant teacher in arts and lab assistant physics. Thì kita boleh kita assistant lecturer in history de ME major history with BEd balap pendep ya ka BEd bat ka baar ka de ME with major Khasi di balap pendep haka BEd nanta ka balai pat ka de MSc with major chemistry with BEd nanta ka basau pat ka de BA with BEd bat kawasan ka de ki class 12 science pass with physics. Kini ki post ide ki bab lajong napo karib hoy dan tangan di pejak selari kaban kong ka de sopojar nanta ka baar sopojar kabalai sopojar wasau sopojar kabasan ro kabasau de lai pojar kabasan ka de shi pojar de ibadon kata kejengkamen ban apply kan ni dia subha makin nek kloy dengan nyapet ru yakini show kini harumo te kikina dit kibat don kamon ban apply kan ni ka post in lawan submit ya ka standard form along with the copies of required educational qualification to the office of office undersigned on bihikan hit kibaton ke internet ban apply ini post kilawan pendapat batas form pat ki copies required pat kila roban submit ya ka education qualification joki haka office haswa ka arsoft centric private jarsan lawan ra ru ya ka original document for hakasngi interview kadai ru ka direct interview mo kan ni work interview mo kan ni te long ka each kadai namta live hours name sans name namta ki ST but no TE no DA will be pay for attending for the interview. Di kamdon kan ka TE la ni ka TE hakasni ba pi interview kapan hi te kanika post ka pelada ni ST KB Jarwa district session education officer di district date nompo laiterik ngapain ada tan di lesibon jawat penslam apply no di kibatam kata kerja kermen di wan penslam manam abdo koi kelas dit di apply no